Hey everybody. So I just put a little list together of gift ideas that you could pick up for your favorite cyclists for this Christmas. Anyway, first little item are these wolf tooth pack pliers. It's kind of a little multi-tool that you can put in your seat bag or whatever. About $30, but its main tool is going to be that little chain pliers there for the quick disconnect link. It's got a little magnet that kind of holds everything together, so you can, there's a little magnet, and you can stash some little connector links in there. You can actually do two of them. That little Y piece there, you can undo your little Presta valve tip to add fluid to your tubeless tires, or if you want to just squirt some in the inner tubes there. It's got a little tire lever, so you got your chain pliers there, but then it also that there in the bottom right there you can undo your Presta valve ring or tighten it, loosen it on a tubeless setup. It's pretty lightweight, so it's nice to fit in a bag and super handy. You could even throw it in your toolbox and use it as your chain plier. So it's a cool little tool. Just came out not too awful long ago, but it's one of the coolest tools I've seen. 2 words: wool socks. This is something that I don't think any cyclist has too many wool socks. So there's any good bike shop should have a good variety, or you can surely find all different kinds on Amazon, I'm sure. But merino wool socks are the best. They're super comfortable. Keep your feet nice and warm. You don't even have to be a cyclist. They're just great all around. This is a little cap, but it's got the little flaps that come down over your ears there. It's kind of got a wind blocker material. Just a great little item to have that lasts pretty much forever. About $25 for something like that. You got your booties for really cold weather. There's a variety of different thicknesses and wind blocks and such, up to your thick neoprene. So and then you got just the toe portions as well. Those run from anywhere from $20 to about $90, just depending on how thick and robust. This is something that maybe something a cyclist may want to put on their list there to Santa, but it's a great little light set. I'm actually in the process of getting this exact one myself, but it's the Bontrager, it's the 1300 lumen version, and then it's got the super bright tail light there, which these are both have modes for just night riding or daytime running, flashing lights and such. Comes with all the attachments. Put it on your bike, USB cable to charge everything. Super bright. I've got a buddy of mine that I've been riding with that has this light, and it blows my little 500 lumen light away. So yeah, that's just kind of all the time frames, but you got several different modes with each one. Another one's nice little item. They're these GPS based computers. This one's the Garmin Edge 520. It's pretty sweet. $280 for the Bundle Plus package, or you get your Wahoo Element Bolt, which I had the opportunity to try one of these out for about a month earlier this summer, and it's pretty much awesome. It's a direct competitor to that Garmin 520. So if I was getting one, if I had my choice between the two, I'd probably go with this one, just based off the fact that you control everything with your smartphone. So any cyclist that maybe is using a cat eye or something like that, and know their way somewhat around a smartphone, or this would be a great little gift as well. But just kind of a comparison between my old Garmin 500 and this one. Visibility wise, it's really nice. You can change the basically 4 default screens there, a map, and but you can look at all your training data or whatever, ride data on your you just pick out a phone ride there, uploads everything, works in conjunction with the smartphone. So You've got all kinds of stuff you can look at, data, heart rate, power, all kinds of charts there that you can geek out on. But yeah, these things are, really they're it's syncs up there, and you can change all the screens, all the metrics are super easy to change there just with your phone. So if you're gonna say customize one of the metrics here, on this particular screen here, that's kind of the default screen. I'm going to change, looks like the kilojoules there to change it to intensity factor. So just clicking on, and then boom, you see the change happen immediately on the little computer there. So super easy to, you don't have to thwack away at a bunch of little buttons and things. But I don't know. Anyway, these things are definitely game changers. You kind of go with your Strava or whatever, and it's pretty great. But another gift could be a lifetime subscription to this awesome channel of mine, and it's free. Lots of stuff anybody could enjoy on here, so consider that as well. Thanks for watching.